The Bulk Fix Page button allows you to do full bulk optimization across a category very quickly and accurately. To start, select a category and then click on Bulk Fix Page. This will then load the bulk item specifics editor matrix, allowing you to make quick and easy changes and additions to item-specific data. But also the tool will pre-fill important missing item-specific data. So, for example, it's already auto-fixed and auto-optimized by adding in band into the theme item-specific, which was originally missing. And if it's suitable for any other ones, you can add those in. But then you can scroll across and see which other item-specifics you can easily add in. So, for example, by adding regular, copy and paste each of those items, it's going to add that item specific, resulting in each of those listings having an extra 600,000 plus searches over the next 30 days. So it's really growing impressions. Across the top, we order the item specifics based on eBay's search volume data. So brand, it's flagged red because it's required by the category, but that's generating 5.8 million search impressions. And it is ordered based on the number of searches as well. So even though theme, it's a recommended item specific, meaning it's not essentially required by the category, it's recommended that this is included because there's 1.5 million search impressions behind adding that item specific data. So once you've worked through this and checked that the auto-fix is an automatic auto-optimization has added in the item specifics, click Revise Listings. It publishes those changes and optimizations back up to eBay and then starts tracking them within the Boost Seller Toolkit in the optimization tracking to show you all the uplifts and impressions, clicks and views, but most importantly, sales and transactions.